In this tutorial, we'll explain how to create opaque white in Adobe Illustrator for transparent labels. To begin, create a new color swatch. Go to the Window menu, then choose Color. Adjust the color by modifying the 4CMYK values. In the Options menu of the Color panel, select Create New Swatch, and rename the color to HPI White. Now, change the color type to spot color, and confirm by clicking OK. The spot color you have just created will now appear in the Swatches panel. In the second step, create the following layers: CMYK, opaque white, and cut line. These layers are only for organizational purposes and do not directly affect color assignment. Go to the Window menu at the top and choose Layers. To create a new layer, click the New Layer icon. Rename the layer by double-clicking its name, entering the new name, and confirming with OK. Now, place the elements into the correct layers. Select the object using the Selection tool. A small square will appear to the right of the layer. Drag this square to the desired layer. Repeat these steps until all elements are placed in their correct layers. It is important that the opaque white elements are placed above the other print colors. When printing on transparent material, there are two main reasons to apply the opaque white color. White elements that are to be printed should not appear transparent. Colored elements, such as text or images, need to appear opaque. In this case, opaque white is printed first, and the colored elements are printed on top. Select the elements that will be printed in white using the Selection tool, and assign the HPI white spot color from the Swatches panel. Make sure these elements are on the opaque white layer. Next, select the colored elements that need to be opaque using the Selection tool. Copy them using Command+C, on Windows, Control+C. Then select the opaque white layer and paste them in place using Command+F, on Windows, Control+F. Now, color the duplicated elements with the HPI white spot color from the Swatches panel. It is essential that these elements are set to overprint, otherwise, the underlying color will not print. To do this, select the elements with the Selection tool, and configure them using the Attributes panel by checking either Overprint Fill or Overprint Stroke, depending on the case. Repeat these steps until all duplicated elements are colored with HPI white. To verify that everything is set up correctly, open the Separations Preview panel. First, ensure that the Overprint Preview box is ticked. Then, hide the HPI white color. The underlying CMYK artwork should still be visible, while areas printed only in white should disappear.